Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to be genuine in a data science interview. When I say interview, it's not just, giving answers of their questions in technical evaluation. No. When I say interview, it's the entire recruitment process. I will tell you few of the pointers that you should keep in mind which will make your recruitment process really smooth. You will look genuine and hence your interview result might also be positive, and if not, at least you will end up having a very good relation with the recruitment and the company. Let us start the discussion one by one. So I'll not go in the direction of what you should do to create a genuine impression. Rather, I will tell you what are some of the do nots. Okay. So very first thing, guys, when you receive a call for the data science interview, right? I mean, you have uploaded your profile, the HR team calls you. Always keep in mind that look genuine. How can you look genuine? Very first thing, do not commit anything which is not possible. What is the example of that? 60 days notice period or 90 days notice period, okay? In India, it's quite common. And you are committing to the next company that you will be joining in 30 days or let's say 45 days, thinking that you will get release. This might not be possible due to n number of reasons. May be possible also. But at the moment you commit to the next company that you will join in 45 days, they will assume that you will join in 45 days if you are selected, and they will plan their things accordingly. Some of the requirements they will track, they will close that, yes, this is in progress, this candidate will join, something like that. So what I am telling here is, even if you have 1% of doubt that you might not join before 60 days or 90 days, do not commit that. Number one. Number two is, do not fake anything in your profile. You will be getting caught, guys. So in background verification you will get caught sometimes in the technical evaluation you will get caught. No need of faking anything in your profile. You have done some genuine work, you have learned data science from somewhere, you have done some projects, mention that. You have real-time experience, mention that. You have worked on something else, mention that as well. Do not try to write some big words, big things which will create a very good impression. You go in technical round and then you fall flat. That should not happen. These are basically 2 pointers you should keep in mind before going to the interview. Now let us come to the interview. Once you talk to the HR, then the interview gets scheduled, you go for the interview. Then what are the things you must not do? What are the things which will break the trust of the interviewer? Number one, and very important, guys. If you do not know something, right, that is absolutely fine. Do not give wrong answers with confidence. I am repeating it. This is very important. Do not give wrong answers with confidence. Let me ask you. You ask somebody what is 2 plus 2 and somebody tells you 3. You ask, are you confident? And the other person says, yes, absolutely. 2 plus 2 is 3. What impression comes to your mind about that person? The same impression you are creating when you are giving a wrong answer with confidence. Never do that. It is okay to say 5 back-to-back questions. So I ask you question 1, I ask you question 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 things, if you say I have not worked or I do not know, that will not create as bad impression as when you give one wrong answer with 100% confidence. If you don't know, that is absolutely fine. If you are confused, say it, you are confused. No big deal, guys. Anybody can be confused. If I ask you a simple Python question, for example, can I have a duplicate element in a list? You can say that. Duplicate element in the list, I think we can have. And if I say, are you sure? Let's say you are not sure. You can say, I'm not very sure. I think it is possible, but not very sure. This is a better answer than if you are not confident in saying you are confident, okay? This is one thing. Second thing is, whatever fake things or whatever things you feel has by mistake gone into the profile, okay? By mistake, I mean to say that sometimes we take, reference from other person resume. So some of their keywords come in our profile. For example, I can say R shiny. Just an example I am giving. R shiny, okay? So maybe you were taking reference from a data science resume and you just by mistake put R shiny, that resume only went and got circulated, okay? So at the moment discussion comes about R shiny, you can say that, okay, R shiny, I have read about it. You should not say that this is, I have intentionally put it. You can say that, yes, I have some, I have read about it, but I never got a chance to work on it. So RSign is something I'm not very confident about. You should manage it like that. You should not sound, you are not genuine, or you are trying to create a fake impression, or you are trying to create a fake resume. No, this impression should not go. These are the things you should keep in mind during the interview. Okay, what happens after the interview, guys? Many of us, okay, have a tendency that I will get, let's say, 10 lakhs package from a company. I will take the offer. I will take the offer. Based on this offer, I will negotiate with the next company saying I am getting 10 lakhs. Can you give me 12 lakhs? This is not a very good practice, guys. I am not saying you should not increase your salary. You should not be ambitious. No, I am not saying that. But why you can't be little more genuine? I mean, this is a very much bargaining thing. That is how I look at it. Okay, you take a offer, then you bargain here. You take a bigger offer, then you bargain there. This is fine in one way. Many people do. But what I feel is you should not do it, too frequently or too much. There is a limit of this. Okay, so once or twice in initial phase of your career, or let's say if there is a huge difference, then maybe you can discuss for some bit of difference. And you trying to make it a habit in all your interview process or all your job switches is something I feel it's not very genuine, very good. Okay, what happens, guys, when you tell to some company that I'm available for the interview, those guys wait for you to join. Once you get selected, right, then they close that requirement thinking that you will join. And remember, analytics is a very small world now also. Okay, there is a huge possibility that somebody who took your interview might meet you again somewhere. Okay, so in my opinion, guys, I was discussing about this in my how to create good LinkedIn network video as well. Network and people trust are very, very important. Okay, that is the reason I try to connect with many people. I try to learn from them. I try to make some new guys, fresher guys learn from me. It's about creating a network, creating good relationships, and creating trust. If you do these kind of things, right, you might get some short-term benefit. In longer run, if you see, right, it will not be a huge difference and you will lose the trust. These are some of the things you should avoid after the interview. Try to join on the committed date. If there is some genuine reason, you can say, for example, you are not well, for some reason you have to go to hometown, something like these are acceptable. Okay, so if you create the good trust, then rest of the things will be taken care. Okay, just focus on creating a genuine impression and a trust in the entire recruitment process. That will help you in the longer run. Make it a habit. I thought of creating this video because I am taking interviews of people, in my YouTube channel, many freshers, and I think these are the things you should know, guys. This applies to all the interviews in real world. Okay, let me know what are your thoughts. Write me in comment. Press the subscribe button if you have not done yet. Press the like button if you like this video. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Till then, wherever you are, stay safe and take care.